Take a look outside at the beach. Great day to be out there, at least for the time being. We do have the chance for some sprinkles, but it's actually starting to look like most of us, if not all of us, are going to stay dry. So if you want to go to the beach on Tuesday, you should be pretty good to go. Temperatures out there in the mid-80s. We're looking at a very high UV index, even though we do have a couple of clouds here and there. And yes, we do have a chance for some rain, and we still have that moderate rip current risk as well. So if you are going to go out there, please be especially careful if you decide to get more than, say, knee deep in the water out there. For the rest of us further inland, this is kind of the picture we're looking at. Partly cloudy skies to mostly clear depending on where you are. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. If you're in Stark County, you could reach 100 and feels like temperatures are going to be higher than what you see on the board. I still have us at a 20% chance for showers, mainly between around 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. But even then, things are looking pretty skimpy. So it looks like we're going to have a mostly dry afternoon. Overnight, I don't think we're going to get any rain. We could see some sprinkles onshore your early Wednesday morning, similar to what we've had these last couple of days. But Wednesday is starting to seem like we could stay dry too, with very minimal rain chances throughout your Wednesday afternoon. So both today and tomorrow, these are going to be your better days in terms of not too much rain, and it's going to feel a little bit worse outside. Thursday is when we start to see increased rain chances thanks to our approaching cold front. Right now, models have it passing through in the early morning of Friday, and of course ahead of that front we're going to have significant rain chances. So once again, if you didn't get rain over these last couple of days, you are most likely going to get some sort of precipitation on Friday, whether it be just a little sprinkle or some heavier downpours with some storms. And we could see some of this moisture lingering into Saturday and maybe even into Sunday, bringing us the chance for some rain over the weekend. Although I don't think the weekend is going to be a washout, Friday might be a bit of a washout. What's the temperature going to look like? Over the next 6 to 10 days, we are below normal. That's what everybody wants to see. Now, I know it's blue. It's not going to be frigid. Over the next 6 to 10 days, it's just going to be below that normal temperature. And in fact, most of the state is going to be right there as well. We're talking about highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. And in terms of rainfall, we seriously still need to see some rainfall, you guys. We have 2 days before our next drought monitor comes out. And hopefully these estimated future rainfall totals of 1.25 inches to maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches now estimated for some portions of the upper valley can help us in that drought situation. So lots of good news on the way in the form of that cold front on Friday. Until then, it's going to be hot with minimal rain chances. But once that cold front passes, we're looking at lows in the 60s, highs in the 80s. This is the best thing that we can get for the time being.